Here's a quick, easy, and super cheap DIY lash tile idea.
So these are actually wall tiles that you can get for less than $2. You can get these from your local home and hardware store. In Canada, you can find them at Home Depot or Rona.
When looking for a tile to get, you need to choose the right size and right weight. We like the glass tiles that weigh at least half a pound each. It's heavy enough so that the tile doesn't lift when you pick up lashes off the strip.
Next, you'll need duct tape. This one we found at our local dollar store. You want to make sure that you find a white one because it shows the contrast of the lashes. It makes it much easier to see when you're making fans. And you'll need scissors.
It's really up to you how long you want the tape to be, depending on how many strips you like to work with at once. For me, I like leaving a little bit of space at the bottom to put my jadestone on. And this is what it looks like.
So this duct tape has these faint dotted lines on it, which actually makes it really helpful when organizing your lash strips.
The ideal tile size is 3 by 6 inches. You want to find one that's wide enough to fit the width of the lash strips and long enough to fit all the lengths you need to use, with room for your glue too. Removing the strips is super easy. There's no residue stuck on your tile and the lash strips don't lose its stickiness.
An easy way to store and keep your lash tiles clean away from dust are with these plastic photo case containers. They're the perfect size for these tiles.